Here are some New Year's resolutions for buyers, sellers, renters, or investors. Make a resolution to find a good agent. You want to research them and you want to interview them. You want to know if this is a good person to help you on your real estate journey. You want to make sure you understand all of the documents that you sign. So make a resolution that before you sign anything, you're going to make sure you read it thoroughly, have an attorney or someone who you can trust to help to make sure you understand what you are signing up for. You want to put your best foot forward. If you are in the market to rent your property or sell your property and people are coming in to take a look at it, you want to make sure that you put your best foot forward. You only get one time to make a good first impression. Keep your mind, your head in the game, not your heart. Take your heart out. Keep your mind in the game. You want to think critically and logically when you are in the process of buying, selling, and even renting. And one last tip, enjoy the process. Have fun. Be easy. Take it light. Be easy, because the energy that you put out is what you're going to get. So if you're stressed out, trust me, it's going to make the process a lot more challenging.